In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Excel and explore some options if you're looking to download Microsoft Excel 2019 for free. Now, let's dig into some official, legitimate methods you can utilize to get Excel without any unwanted surprises. First up, let me introduce you to Excel for the web. This is a completely free and legal way to use Excel, provided by Microsoft itself. The best part is, you don't need to worry about downloading or installing anything on your device. All you need to do is sign in with your Microsoft account on your web browser, and voila! You have a fully functional, browser-based version of Excel at your fingertips. This version lets you create spreadsheets, use various functionalities, and collaborate with others in real time directly from your web browser. It's great if you're looking for a quick and easy solution to manage your data without the hassle of installations. Remember, while it's incredibly convenient, it might not carry all the bells and whistles of the desktop version. However, for everyday tasks, it's pretty robust and gets the job done. Now, if you're someone who prefers downloading software onto your device for offline access and additional features, yet still hopes to try before committing, there's an option for you too. You can take advantage of a 30-day free trial offered by Microsoft 365. Through this trial, you'll gain access not just to Excel, but also to other Microsoft Office goodies like Word and PowerPoint. During this period, you can explore the full desktop version of Excel, experiencing all its capabilities firsthand. It's a fantastic opportunity to get the software's feel and determine if it suits your needs. Just a piece of advice. If you choose this route, make sure to set a reminder to cancel before the trial period ends if you don't intend to purchase, as continuing past the 30 days will incur costs. Let's address the elephant in the room. Downloading Excel 2019 for free without a proper license is neither supported nor legal. Microsoft offers Excel 2019 as a one-time purchase product rather than an option available for free. If you already own a license for Excel 2019, you're in luck. You can download it straight from your Microsoft account by signing in and following the prompts there. But if you don't have a license, it's vital to understand that acquiring Excel 2019 without purchasing is not permissible under Microsoft's terms. So whether you're making use of the browser-based free version or dipping your toes into the 30-day free trial, you'll find legal options to explore the world of Excel without cost initially. With these insights, you can now proceed with confidence and integrity. Good luck and happy spreadsheeting.